Hi, I'm Andrew White. I'm an associate at HDR Architects, Engineering and Commissioning.
I'm Tim Trimble, one of the construction managers at Kapitol Group. I've worked now with HDR for about 4 years on multiple of the data centre projects for NEXTDC, from both the M2 facility and the M3 facility, both through ECI process and also through construction.
The point cloud modelling has been something during the process that's been really helpful. The open space program's also been really helpful to be able to view the building as it's in construction. It's meant that we've got a continual update on what's occurring on site, and we're able to respond to things on site as it happens and as they happen, and catch out things should they be going slightly off track. So it's been much more efficient as a process.
Yeah, we've worked with HDR on not only clash detection, which is a pretty standard one, and Andrew's mentioned the point cloud survey. We do the point cloud survey to capture problems before they happen as well. Like, you say, for instance, if we're already in bus duct, which is a long lead item, we do a point cloud survey, compare it against the model, and then we know how accurate the building is, and we can order that, the equipment direct without having to do final site measures and the like. But also we get into a lot of the sequencing of the build, which helps also explain to Andrew and his team how we're going to build it, how we're going to put it together, what's important, and so we can fully sequence it out in the model.
The other really exciting and positive thing has been the use of BIM 360 and the way that we're looking at the drawings and marking up the drawings very rapidly into construction as a larger consultant team with the aid of Kapitol Group.
And so what we're finding is a lot more consistency from project to project of elements that we can incorporate into the models and identify early as whether they've got potential to move forward. The other big one, working with HDR for quite some time now, is understanding of the way that we build might be slightly different to other builders, and so Andrew and his team now have incorporated a lot of our preferred waterproofing details and design that we would like around door thresholds, plinths, hobs, just hoods and canopies over the top of cable entries and the like. So it's so we don't have to go back through every time with HDR and say, oh, this is the way we prefer to build, because they already know that, and that collaboration's really starting to move forward, which has been really cool.